Rolling. This is my invention, smart room switch. I make my invention for solution for the three problems. First problem is I enter the room and turn on light. I leave the room and turn off light. It is a very long problem we all. So I find a solution for this problem and bought a PIR sensor. But PIR sensor can people is come in room, turn on light, and people leave the room, not turn off light. PIR sensor not turn off light. The second problem is we going to bed on the sleep and we should turn on light, turn on fan on a hot day. In the early morning, we should get up our sleep and rest, turn off fan and sleep again. So I find a solution for the all problems. I make my invention. This is my invention, a smart room switch. It's worked. This is a people counting sensor. It can count the number of the people in the room. How leave the room and enter the room and leave the room. Count the number of the people in the room. I leave the room and count the number. Count, minus number. Now, anyone have a room? The smart light introduced. No, people is coming to room. Okay, this device can, according to sunlight, change the brightness. It's not turn on, no turn off, not according to sunlight, change brightness. This is a fan control device. This device can be fixed to any fans in the world. It is a plug and play concept. We can fix it. Plug and play. We not doesn't need electrician knowledge. Plug and play concept. So this device can be measure the room temperature and control the fan speed. The device can. Now this is the smart control switch. This control switch we have hold any smooth surface. This control switch. This is not a sticker. This is not a sticker. Sticker not. It's a nanotechnology nanopad. We don't change the batteries. That device. I make that device wireless charging system. I hold that device wall switch on. Indicate charging. We don't need battery piece of batteries. That device charging. That device have two buttons. We press the button. Press the button one time. Light is on according to brightness. We press the button for a few seconds. Light brightness is controlled. For a few seconds, light brightness is controlled. We press the button, double press, and light is full brightness on. We press the button upper part and light off. This is the fan control light. We press that button upper part one time. Fan is on. Measure the temperature and according to temperature, we can change the speed of the fan. We can press the button for a few seconds. Fan speed control that. We can press the button double press and fan is on speed. This is my invention video. We can't play my invention, but our country have 240 watts, but this country have 110 volt. So I make my video. This is my invention video. We can hold that device our door and count the number of the people in the room. So plug and play concept. We change the light and plug and play concept. We don't need electrician knowledge. Plug and play concept. Then I make a server for my invention, smartbox.tk. We can log my invention account, username and password given. We can log in my invention. Email, username and login. This is my server, smart.tk. It have a code one of the device. We turn on and switch. We can see connected light. It was connected. Now I enter the room and turn on light. So we can change the brightness in the light that device. For a few seconds, press and change the brightness. Fan control 6 system. It's fixed a plug and play concept. We plug that device and play our fan. This device measures the room temperature, and according to room temperature, it can control the fan speed anyway. We press the upper part that button for a few seconds. The fan can be controlled the speed. This is my innovation parts. I make that innovation Wi-Fi technology, microprocessing circuits, sensors, LED displays, wireless charging system, LED lights. Have extra benefits that use that devices. The burglar is coming room, turn on light. We introduce that. We can change the color of room using our mobile phone. We can change the light color. My innovation market, we can cost $30 cost. Give the market. Thank you. The end.